Hello guys, habari yenu? Thank you for joining everybody, tuning in YouTube, tuning in TikTok, wale wenye wako Facebook. Thank you so much for joining us and karibuni sana 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 to yet another online class courtesy of Bacon Top from Jorokani. Do share the link to everybody, your friend, anybody who is always interested in anything to do with cakes, any chef, anyone interested with anything to do with a dessert. Share the link, share kwa kila mtu and karibuni sana. Tunangoja just for a minute, kila mtu join, then we do a fantastic dessert. 5 minutes and you have your perfect dessert for your perfect guests. So welcome kila mtu, karibuni sana. Karibuni, everybody can join. And today we are having a fantastic dessert. Karibuni. In the posters that we sent, everybody saw we are doing a lava cake. And a lava cake is a fantastic and a fabulous dessert. Just requires 3 ingredients. And guess what? We have you covered because we have our lava cake premix, okay? And it's not just lava cake, it is an eggless lava cake. So karibuni sana, kila mtu join, kila mtu subscribe, na kila mtu mwenye anataka kutap, please tap. Tap everywhere you want to tap. So thank you so much, karibuni. My name is Mondesi, kama kawaida. I'm from Jorokani, courtesy of Bacon Top. And today we are going to do a lava cake dessert. And we are going to top it off with a touch of ice cream, okay? So what is a lava cake? A lava cake is a dessert, and it being a dessert, it gives more of a volcano kind of a look on the cake, correct? Okay. So, for example, you can see how it looks like. So at the center, that is where you get your lava. So ours is in chocolate form, and the moment you cut it open, you get your flowing lava. So it flows out as chocolate because ours is chocolate. And there are very many types of lavas. You can get a red velvet lava. So the inside is going to flow, a red velvet kind of a flow. The chocolate one, what we have, gives you a lava flow for the chocolate. You can even have it in vanilla. The vanilla also gives it a flow for the vanilla, okay? So it is more of a dessert. You can also have it as a cake, but what is the catch for the lava cake? Lava cake, you must have it when it is hot. It is enjoyed when it is hot. Ukienjoy kitu yenye ina flow na ni baridi, haita slap, okay? So the lava cake, you should enjoy it when it is hot. So you can either prepare your lava cake like what we've done. Mine is hot, very, very hot, fresh from the oven, but if your visitors or your guests are coming like 20 minutes later on and you've prepared your lava cake, which is very easy to make, I'm going to take you through. So if you prepare and your guests are coming a little bit late, what do? Take it to the microwave it for just 1 minute. Let the lava get hot, then serve as desired, okay? So how are we going to make our eggless lava cake chocolate, okay? Number 1, what do you need? You need the eggless lava cake premix, number 1. Remember hapa tunafanya dessert zenye you only need 3 ingredients. Doesn't take much of your time, and Jorokani Bacon Top, we have you sorted, okay? So, lava cake premix, all right? Number 2, you need water. Water you need 400 ml, okay? Then vegetable oil, 535 ml. So what is the procedure? You put all your ingredients in your mixing bowl. After putting all of them in your mixing bowl, una whip 1 minute low speed. What is the reason? We've done premixes quite a number of times. And low speed tunachapa kwa nini? Hatutaki unga yetu yote ifanye nini? I-blow up, sindio? So 1 minute low speed, then 3 minutes high speed, so that you can get best consistency and best volume, all right? So that is the eggless premix, the eggless lava cake premix. So once you have whipped and mixed, Now, in your muffin cases, you can either use 110 cases, 110 mm, or bigger than 110 mm. Why am I insisting so? So that by the time your cake is baked, when your lava cake is baked, itakuwa na chance ya kufura vizuri, na tena we are targeting to have the lava inside, the liquid lava inside, okay? So, bake for only 10 minutes. Ukipitisha 10 minutes, keki yako ndani itaiva na itakaa ni kama kaujiuji ndani. So once you get that kind of a consistency after you've baked, just get to know overbake, sindio? But the moment you bake and it gives you a top like this, you can see the top. The top looks squishy. Our target is by the moment tunakakata, tunaona the flowing what? The flowing lava. All right? So you can see the top. Looks very nice. I am very sure that my lava is very flowing, okay? But the moment unapata lava cake yako umebake and it has formed a dome shape, kama ya cupcake, ama ya muffin, you have overbaked it. And you will not be able to enjoy the lava cake as we are calling it, sindio? So let us have a quick check on one of it. We take one. So after baking, once you take out the muffin case, what you should find is a very firm side. The side should be firm, okay? Kitu yenye unaweza toa karatasi vizuri na inabaki imesimama, si ndio? But what about the inside? The inside should be very inaitwa mushi ama ni mashi, mushi. You see? Just look at that. My lava looks very nice. Okay? You see? That's how my lava cake should look like. So the moment you cut it, it should be straight from the oven, direct to your dessert table, okay? So ukipata imepoa, and you want to serve your guests or your customers, tumesema unafanya nini? Take it back to the microwave for just 30 seconds to a minute. Take it out to also avoid baking it, sindio? Take it to the oven, to the microwave, sorry, for around 30 seconds to a minute. Take it out, serve it when it's hot. Remember, NB, lava cake, you must serve it when it's hot. So let us now go to the fun part, where we get to decorate our lava cake, give it a very nice topping. So I'm going to do 2, and also to match it with our bake and top products. So I have 2 lava cakes, all right? So what we are going to top it with, I choose to top it with a touch of ice cream. So my ice cream is melty a little, but I just put a little bit on top. Remember, you need to work very fast with it because it's hot. And if you're putting ice cream, we don't want to have lava cake that is already frozen because of the ice cream or cold. Okay. So what to do next? I'm going to give it a touch of decor using my strawberry glaze. Okay. So I'm going to give it a touch of the strawberry glaze. So we did the glaze last time. So you see the consistency. Very nice. Very nice consistency. So what to do, I just want to garnish at the top. Remember, the glaze needs to be flowy, liquid. Don't use it when it is still in its jelly-like form, okay? So take it down, okay? Okay. So just at the top, give it a very nice finish. So at this point, if you want to add a touch of maybe biscuits, you want to have a touch of fruit, a touch of strawberry, a touch of Oreos, you can always proceed, okay? So let us check how it looks like. Remember what to do. Just take off the side of the paper. So your ice cream is really going to melt off, but will also give you a very nice taste, okay? So let's dig in and see. Look at that. You have your ice cream flowing. Your lava is flowing. And guys, this is fantastic. Isn't it your preferred dessert for your guests? Something very nice, very tasty, and very heavenly. I'm going to take a bite, then see the outcome. Beautiful. Very beautiful. The chocolate taste is bubbling inside. The hotness, the ice cream, it's a perfect match. That's all I'm going to say for today. But remember, how I always tell you, sorry, your cakes must have a story. What is your story in your cakes? My cakes have a story. Thank you so much. Tune in to our next live session. Karibuni sana. Every Monday from 1:30 p.m. to 2 p.m. Mumekaribishwa sana. Tune in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much. Okay. Any questions? I can just pick any questions. Let me get the phone to check the questions. The taste is good, guys. The taste is fantastic. It's very awesome. And also doesn't leave an aftertaste in your mouth. Gives you one of the best feelings ever. Let me access the questions. Let me access the questions. One, I can maybe just repeat the recipe as we get the questions coming. One, tumesema tunatumia nini kutengeneza lava cake? Our premix, our bake and top eggless lava cake mixed chocolate premix. Okay? So, what are the ingredients that we need? One, the lava cake premix itself. Okay? Number two, we need water, 535 ml. 3, we want vegetable oil, 400 ml. Vegetable oil ukisikia kutumia mafuta ya salit, mafuta ya rina, mafuta ya top fry, hiyo ni vegetable oil. Mtu akisikia kutumia corn oil, akina Elianto, please use. It's very recommended. Gives you a very dense lava cake, okay? So what is the difference between if you want to exchange your oil with margarine? We are not looking for a fluffy kind of a lava cake. We want it dense. Kitu yenye inashikilia vizuri na tumesema tunataka kupata nini? A firm side and also a lava flow at the center. Sindio? So that is the recipe. What is the procedure? 1, take your premix. 2, your water. 3, your vegetable oil. Put them in a mixing bowl. Our premix comes with the grammage, okay? So put them in the mixing bowl. Whip for 1 minute, low speed. Then 3 minutes, high speed, okay? Low speed tuna whip kwa nini? Ndio unga yetu yote isifanye nini? Isiblow. And also tunataka tushikanishe ingredients zetu zote pamoja. Then, the moment we take it to high speed, we are looking for consistency, and also what are we looking for? The volume for the lava cake itself, okay? So, after mixing for 3 minutes or at high speed, scale your lava cake batter into your cupcake cases. You can either get the foil ones, ama unaweza tumia hizi za karatasi, also works very well, okay? So scale, if you're using 110 mm, you can scale up to 60 grams, okay? 60 grams of the lava cake, then bake for 10 minutes, depending with your oven. What is the temperature that you're going to use? One, if you're using a deck oven, na temperature zako hazikuagi na moto ya juu sana, tumia 220 for the top deck, sorry, for the top temperature. Then for the bottom temperature, 210, okay? Kwa wale wenye wanatumia convectional, use 140. Don't use anything greater than that. If you use 170, utumie 180 or 220 venye tunasema, by the time inafika 2 minutes, lava cake yako itakuwa imechomeka. So always understand your oven, know the temperatures that you're going to use, and then put in your cakes, your lava cake, your normal cakes, whichever cake you're making, okay? So understand the oven, but our recommended temperature is 210 for the top temperature, 220 for top temperature, 210 for bottom temperature, okay? So that is that's the recipe and the procedure. Buy the premix from us and you're going to get it all inclusive on the package, okay? So maybe any other question we can take. Another thing, how long can your lava cake stay? The moment you bake it, na unataka kupatia guests wako, please, as it is very easy to make and it is very easy to use, don't bake today and serve tomorrow, no. Bake it today and serve it today. Remember, it is just it's a dessert that should be taken to the oven as your guests are waiting to even have a dessert. Put it in the mix, put in the oven, and then serve, all right? Straight from the oven, direct to your dessert tables. Your visitors are going to enjoy, you will enjoy, and you are gonna give us positive feedbacks for this. So, where can you get our eggless lava cakes? Every stockist in Kenya is going to have the eggless lava cakes because it is our newest formulation and it is coming bigger and hotter, and it's going to give your tables the best look, the best kind of a dessert you can ever have. So if you want to place an order, just go through your stockist. In Kisumu, tuko pale, tuko Top Serve, tuko Zimani, tuko in Kondele also, and Eldoret, tuko Julian's, tuko Top Serve. Everywhere we are, you're gonna get this. So you place an order, we are definitely going to deliver through your stockist. Karibuni sana. Wenye wako Mombasa, thank you for tuning in. Wale wako Meru, wako Embu, thank you for tuning in. Nakuru, my people, hello. Thank you so much for tuning in, and karibuni sana to our next class. We are going to give it bigger and hotter. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much.